Hi, and welcome to the second day of our 12 days of fitness. Today, we're focusing on core strength, which is really important to help prevent back pain and improve your overall stability. Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy. Today, we're going to start with the pelvic tilt. So what you're going to do is get out your yoga mat and lie down on your back. So I'm finding a comfortable position and I'm going to have my knees bent. And what I'm going to do for the pelvic tilt is just roll my pelvis back and hold it for a few seconds. While I'm doing this, I want to make sure that I continue breathing and then relax. So I'm rolling the pelvis back, gently flattening my back into the floor just a little bit and holding the position for about 5 seconds and then relax. At home, you can repeat this about 5 times. The next exercise we're going to do is a curl up. So again, I'm going to lie down on my back with my knees bent. With this, I'm going to do a gentle pelvic tilt, cross my arms over my chest, and gently lift up. And repeat. As you come up, you want to go up nice and slow. Breathe in to prepare. Exhale as you come up on the effort. And return to the start position. At home, you can do about 10 of these. The next exercise we're going to do is a bird dog. So what I'm going to do is get in a position where I've got my hands under my shoulders and my knees apart. I'm going to lift one arm in the opposite leg while I keep my belly button tucked into my spine with my core engaged. Hold the position for about 5 seconds and return to the start position. Then we'll switch to the other side. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your pelvis stays level. You don't want to roll up like that. You just want to keep the pelvis level. Then we'll switch to the other side. Now you might be a little wiggly depending on how strong you are. And also, I'm keeping my chin tucked. You don't want to be with your neck extended. You just want to keep that chin tucked. And make sure you keep the motion slow and controlled. Over time, these exercises will help strengthen your back and improve your overall stability. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for day 3.